তো সেইখিনি এতিয়া অসমৰ সকলো মানুহে অৱগত যে গৰুখুঁটি প্ৰকল্প জনসাধাৰণৰ টেক্স পেয়াৰে টেক্সৰ পইচা দি সেইখিনি প্ৰকল্প হাতত লোৱা হৈছিলে, চৰকাৰী প্ৰকল্প হয়। কিন্তু তাৰপিছত দেখা গ'ল যে গৰুখুঁটিৰ কাৰণে যিখিনি গৰু অনা হৈছিলে, গিৰ গাই অনা হৈছিলে, সেইখিনি ৰঙিয়া প্লেটফৰ্ম আহি পাওঁতে নাইকিয়া হ'ল। চৰকাৰৰ আণ্ডাৰত আহিছিলে, কিন্তু আহোঁতে আহোঁতে কি হ'ল 90+ গৰু নাইকিয়া হৈ গ'ল তাত। আৰু সেইখিনি গৰু কলৈ গ'ল, সেইখিনি প্ৰশ্ন উত্থাপন হৈছে এতিয়া। সেইখিনি গৰু মন্ত্ৰীসকলৰ মাজত ভাগ বতৰা হৈছে, মন্ত্ৰীসকলে ভগাই লৈছে। সেইটো কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ? আৰু সেই ধৰণৰ প্ৰশ্ন যেতিয়া সাংবাদিকসকলে সেই প্ৰশ্ন উত্থাপন কৰে, তেতিয়া তেখেতসকলক সৰু মানুহ, তলৰ মানুহ বুলি অপমান কৰা, সেইখিনি পৰিলক্ষিত হৈছে। কিন্তু জনসাধাৰণে প্ৰশ্ন কৰিবই, কেলে এই বিজেপি চৰকাৰে জনসাধাৰণৰ টেক্সেৰে যিসমূহ প্ৰকল্প আনে তাতে ঘাপলা কৰি থাকে। সকলো জেগাতে তেখেতসকলৰ কেলেংকাৰী চলি আছে। আৰু এই উত্থাপন সেইটো কাৰণে কৰা হৈছে যে হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই কেইদিনমান পূৰ্বে কৈছিলে যে ধুবুৰীত ইমান 14,000 কিমানটা গৰু বোলে কোৰবানি দিয়া হৈছে, চুৰ কৰা গৰু বোলে। কিন্তু আচল চুৰ কোন? তেখেতসকল মন্ত্ৰীসভাত থকা জয়ন্ত মল্ল বৰুৱা আৰু তেখেতসকলৰ মন্ত্ৰীসকল আছে, যিসকলে গৰুখুঁটিৰ প্ৰকল্পৰ গৰুখিনি চুৰ কৰি নি তেখেতলোকে নিজৰ প্ৰফিটৰ কাৰণে ইউজ কৰি আছে। প্ৰশ্ন উত্থাপন কৰা হয় যে আচল চোৰ কোন আৰু ইয়াৰ তদন্ত কেতিয়া হ'ব? গৰু চোৰৰ তদন্ত কেতিয়া হ'ব? আমাৰ কংগ্ৰেছৰ ফালৰ পৰা এইটোৱে দাবী যে গৰু চোৰৰ বিৰুদ্ধে তদন্ত কেতিয়া হ'ব আৰু এইখিনি কেতিয়া প্ৰকাশ পাব? এইখিনি আমাৰ শুনিছো, কিন্তু সঠিক তথ্য আমাৰ তাত নাই। কিন্তু শুনিছো সেইখিনিও আছে বুলি, ইনভলভ হৈ আছে বুলি আমি শুনিছো, খবৰ পাইছো আমি। তো সেইখিনি যাতে তদন্ত, সঠিক তদন্ত হয় আৰু ইয়াৰ খবৰখিনি যাতে, ৰিপৰ্টখিনি যাতে ৰাইজৰ মাজত প্ৰকাশ পায়। ধন্যবাদ।
Today we have called this protest regarding the misuse of government funds or government schemes by the BJP government when it comes to the agriculture or the veterinary, where actually the Gir cows, the supposed Gir cows that has been doing the rounds of. So because of that, actual subsidies, the ones who are supposed to get it, actual beneficiaries who are supposed to get it, didn't get it. We got to know that 300 Gir cows that had come for the Gorukhuti project, actually 90 of them went missing from the Rongya station. And later on, after a lot of discussion about the subsidies being given out to Jointamolo Borua's wife, we got to know from his own mouth that those 90 cows were distributed among himself. He took 20, and likewise it was distributed among various other MLAs. So our question in all this is, these cows were got for public. It was got for the public. This was the government scheme that was being provided by the public, for the public. How is it that only the beneficiaries that were there in the list were only ministers and ministers' families or somebody like that? So if there was a scheme or there was a something like that, why were people not informed? We obviously know there are hundreds of cattle rearers in Assam, hundreds of dairy farms, people who are doing dairy businesses, be it big, small. One cow also would have helped them if they would have got it. But then it was not like that. It was them who got the benefit out of it. Then at the end of the day, we get to know that when more research was done about the Gorukhuti project, finally we get to know that there are no more cows in the Gorukhuti anymore, because they could not rear the cow, they could not take care of the cow, so it was sent back again. So the money that had come for the particular scheme, that is Gorukhuti project, where is the money then now? That project, that the money that had come for that was basically taxpayers' money. It was not from somebody's personal pockets money. It was taxpayers' money. Now, so the BJP government has again misused it. People who were actually supposed to get it didn't get it. So our stand in that is, Janta Mullah Borua, after all the accusation that has been done against it, instead of accepting his fault, he's gone ahead and then said various other things, including targeting the media itself. We all know that the media has stood with the BJP government. But now it has come to this part, they have become so arrogant with their power that now they've actually went ahead and said that I don't speak to somebody of such low stature. So who is he? Why is he so mad about the power that he has, because that power is not his. It was given by the people. It was given by the people. It was given, he was given this power to take care of the public, not to use it for his own benefit. But then he's been using it for his benefit. And likewise, that is not only in the case of certain minister or certain MLAs. This is the case everywhere. Like here in Karbi Anglong itself, I would like to talk about a certain Ejangpo farm. One Ejangpo farm is there in Taralangso, and as far as we know, this is a farm which is associated with our Honorable CEM, Mr. Tuliram Ronghang. So I want to question in that. We've heard quite a lot. Since Difu is a small town, we know what is going on, whose business it is, whatever it is. We get to know about it, even if it's not there out there in the public. We get to know a lot about it. So that ways we've heard that there is almost around 150 Jersey cows in his farm. There's almost a production of around 50,000 eggs per day. And so he's doing a monopoly in the business out here. Now milks are from his farm, cows, no, eggs are from his farm. What else? Are people not supposed to do business? If you are going to go ahead and no take over all sorts of businesses also, then what are people supposed to do? And that hundreds of Jersey cows that he has, we want to know where did he get those from? Is it from another scheme that was supposed to be for the veterinary? Because as far as we know, veterinary is Kamul farm, which Kamul dairy project, which was supposed to be a dairy project, is not there. We don't see it existence anymore. Maybe few years back we did see Kamul's eggs, Kamul's milk or curd or paneer. We used to find it. Now you go to that shop in Manja, hardly there is anything out there. You go to the unit does not exist anymore. It is that kind. And then we also got to know that these the officers of veterinaries are all used in his farms. So those officers also should be questioned. Are you taking salary to work in a particular person's farm, or are you doing a government job? Because you are being paid to do government job, not to serve a particular person, no matter who that person is. So in that context, I want to say that whatever is happening in Assam is not good. At the same time, I would like to bring to no notice, and I want people to notice also that whatever is happening in Karbi Anglong also should be taken up. People should question that also, because it's high time that we question everything that the BJP government is doing, because everything that they are doing is wrong. So it's time that everyone comes forward and we talk about every issue that is disturbing the general public. Thank you.